everybody to my channel. On this channel we talk about skin glowing, clearing of our skin. We talk about hair growth. I talk about actually how to make our skin bright, clear, smooth, and today we are talking about how to make our face look younger, 15 years old. With these ingredients, we are going to use this olive oil actually here, and then we are going to use coconut oil. We are going to use a banana. Hey, this is what everyone likes eating it actually. It's a banana. And we have our bowl here. So this is going to help you to remove your wrinkles from your face, to smoothen your face, to make you look younger over just a night. You first peel it like this. You peel it and remove only the inner part. Okay, like this. Cut it off. You make what is enough for your face. If you have a friend, you can make for a friend also. Just for a night. You make it when you are going to sleep. Then you smash it like this. Okay? Guys, you smash this like this. I think I'm doing it to make a smooth paste of it. Smooth paste of it. This thing will make your face, this banana will make your face look good, make your face free of wrinkles, make your face look young, make your face look beautiful, smooth, will make your face look so nice. When you use this, guys, it's going to help you to look good. Okay, this is what the paste will be looking like. So you have to add here, take like 1 spoon echijiko chimu of olive oil. This is our olive oil. Put a spoon of olive oil. Okay, like this. And you mix very well. This will brighten your skin too. So you make sure that you add a coconut oil in it. Okay, like this. This is coconut oil. Add this coconut oil on your DIY. Do it yourself. You add like this. Then you make a smooth paste. Are you seeing the way it is looking? So smooth. Then you make sure that you apply it at night when you're going to sleep. Apply it at night when you're going to sleep. So I'm going to show you how to apply this on your skin. Okay? Just like this. You apply it on your skin and okay, like this on your face. Okay, you put enough and you apply on your face for some good minutes. When you are going to bed at night, make sure that you do this when you are going to bed. So you apply it on your skin on a circular form. Okay, like this. You see, this is how you are supposed to do it. Apply it on your face like this. Guys, trust me, you will see a very big change on your skin like this. So you make sure that you make your face, the whole of it, you apply on your face every time you feel like you can do it. But mostly at night is what I recommend, guys. Just do it at night when you're going to bed, before you sleep. Okay? So after this, you wash it out after some few minutes. When you're going to bed, you wash it out because it will spoil the beddings. you wash it out. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, comment below, like, click the notification bell. Whenever I upload a video, you can be notified. Thank you for being part of this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.